Hi there, welcome to our formation group. Today we're going to learn how to use ghosttown. This is the first tutorial about ghosttown, and today I'm going to show you its basic workflow, tips and tricks. I will also cover how to make materials that will fit your buildings. To open the plugin, you should find the ghosttown tab from above, and if there is no ghosttown tab, you can make it another way. Just type X on your keyboard, a command panel will pop up. In the open panel, type Open ghosttown and you will see a loading screen of your plugin is now ready to work. So the key of this plugin is to make an adjustable geometry in the node editor that is found here. Everything you make inside the node editor is used in buildings and cities via operations list. Upon lots. Lots are get by adding spline selections that define areas. We can also make polygon selections too. So every separate phase will introduce a separate lot. A lot can be developed into building. Node Editor is not the only one tool available here, so let us close it for now. And let us open a GT library. GT library is a substantial part of this plugin. It is created to hold materials and models that you will create every time you use it. It already comes with standard marks and materials from Keylot. So let's take a look at them. Today we're going to be using only standard material library. And if you take a look at this, we will see that these materials are related to presets that you will see in the node editor. When we open this old 70s facade, we will see that it already has a material assigned to it. This is a list of materials. One of them is a material of this particular facade. Let's discover what is inside this particular preset so we can continue by making our own one. The preset has an overall size of 1234 and 1003 centimeters. Be sure that you use your unit system to work in centimeters. In the next node, we subdivide our tile by segments with 300 centimeters height. We see a red mark about the value. It means that it's public and available outside the node graph. You can adjust it without having to open the graph each time you make a change. I want to mention that you can mute your connections between nodes since new ghosttown version. This is a way you can learn presets and guess how you can make your own. Keylot has already provided us with some good stuff. To mute a connection, just place your mouse button above it and do a left click and press F3 after this. Now you see only a subdivided tile. If you want to show it back, just repeat it again. If you want to understand it better, try to mute connections in the end of the node graph. This will not hide everything unnecessary, but will hide only in the end results. Now you see that this was a split, and this was a material assigned to it. Every time I want to mute something, I just hover my mouse above the connection until I press F3 to mute and again to show connection. This way I can guess that my sidebars have a material that is assigned to them by geometry node. When you subdivide anything with segments, it always tells that new output will have a material ID number 1. Segments node gives us a controlled number of geometry tiles by tapping the height or width. We can surely set both of them as individual values. In this case, geometry node gives us a possibility to assign a random selection of material IDs in a given range. So before making some serious modeling in ghosttown, you have to be familiar with a slate material editor, which we'll talk about now. If you want to make something new, we have to reset the node graph. If it's asking to save your work, do so if you need, or just close it. Now we have to open the node editor again and scale it the way that we can see what's going on both material editor and ghosttown. This is the end of our first video. We'll discuss how to make an adjustable facade the proper materials in the next chapter. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also join me at patreon.com if you find my videos helpful. Thanks.